This video will illustrate the operation of the Blue Cube MQi Slurry Analyser and a number of Blue Cube TempoTrack units. Let's consider a scenario where there is a bank of 3 flotation tank cells in a sulfide flotation plant. The 3 concentrates combine into a single hopper. The flotation cells can be part of mainstream flotation or cleaner flotation. At first, the plant personnel do not have a real-time indication of how the slurry grade is changing during the process. A Blue Cube MQi Slurry Analyser is then installed on the combined concentrate of the 3 flotation cells close after the pump in the vertical process line. The Blue Cube MQi Slurry Analyser ties into the process through a scan head that fits onto the process line. The scan head is connected to an optical processor. The Blue Cube technology is based on diffuse reflective spectroscopy. It entails that light is emitted from the optical processor into the passing slurry line via a first set of optical fibers and a robust sapphire window. Reflected light is sent back to the optical processor via a second set of optical fibers. The reflected light is then interpreted by a spectrometer, which measures optical spectra in the visible and near-infrared range. The optical data is, in turn, interpreted by the data processor to produce slurry composition data in real time. This interpretation is based on a calibration set that is stored on the data processor, which has a wired connection to the optical processor. Calibration samples are collected through a pneumatic sampler that is located in the vertical line just after the scan head. These samples are analyzed and the reference data is matched with the optical data of the scans done during calibration sampling. The optical data of the calibration scans are communicated remotely to the Blue Cube office in South Africa. This is accomplished through a Wi-Fi connection between the interface unit and the communications gateway, and an internet connection to Blue Cube South Africa. The calibration set is prepared at Blue Cube by a trained mathematician, from where the confirmed calibration data is remotely returned via the communications gateway to the interface unit and data processor. The interface unit is also connected to the client's PLC through industry-standard analog or digital signals. The PLC then makes the data available to the SCADA system, where the plant personnel can view the slurry grade in real time. The grade of the combined stream is already valuable on its own, but unfortunately it doesn't give the full picture of what is happening at the individual cells. That is why Blue Cube TempoTracks are then installed on each of the flotation tank cells. The TempoTracks need no calibration and makes available the velocity of the froth passing the lip of the cell into the launder and also the height of the froth surface above the lip of the cell. The data from all the TempoTrack units are communicated to the plant PLC via the communications gateway. From the PLC, the data is again made available to the SCADA system. Real-time grade data, as well as information on the contribution of each of the cells, are now available for either monitoring the process or for process control.